Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and this is our Friday video, but today we're not going to do a design. We just want to take the opportunity to say a huge thank you to everyone for entering our competition. Now, we set the Christmas table design competition just for fun, and a lot of people had got in touch with us to say, we'd really love to show you what we can do, and we would love to see what you could do. So the competition gave us a brilliant vehicle for doing that. So the competition is now closed, I'm afraid, and we've had a really good range of entries. We've had well over 30 entries, and we've had entries coming from Britain, from as far afield as Devon to Scotland, North Wales. We've had entries from Hungary, from Poland, Warsaw in Poland, from Latvia, Australia, even Vietnam, Namibia, Belgium, Canada, Switzerland and America, and Florida in America. So it's just been absolutely wonderful to see where people are, what the take on the design is, because there's been quite a range. I think with Christmas, traditional still wins, and there was quite a few traditional ones, but generally with a twist, which was really nice. But we had some quite funky ones as well. So nice to see the differences between countries as well, because every country is different and their take on it is really different as well. So thank you everyone for taking part. I hope you really enjoyed getting hands-on. I know some of you, this was the first time you've ever actually thought about entering a competition or doing anything like that. So I really take my hat off to you, because doing that first step is really important. Once you've entered your first competition, I think you'll find that you really enjoyed the process, being able to think about what you were going to make, and hopefully you'll enter more competitions, because it really does help you grow and develop your skill level. So thank you everyone. Our competition entries have now been passed to our judges. We've got 3 wonderful judges. One is an AIFD person, one is a Chelsea medal winning person, and one person has written a number of books. So we've got really good quality judges, and they're now starting the process of deliberating as to who's going to get first, second and third. But whether you get a place or not, you're all winners by taking part, and it's really been wonderful for us to see what you've created and to have that opportunity to see what you can do. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Once the judges have made their decision, we'll make an announcement on the 1st of December. But once they've made their decision, we can start to share the pictures of your designs so you can see what everyone else has done. So take care everyone, stay safe, thank you for entering, and we'll see you soon. Bye.